last forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सोल स्टडी। कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो आज वी गोना डू योर रीडिंग माय जेमिनाइज, ओके, मिथुन राशि वाले. What do you need to see for the upcoming days? Okay, it's going to be a relationship reading, love reading. Okay, your messages that you need to see by the full moon in Sagittarius lunar eclipse when passes you by, crosses you by. Okay. Take it as it resonates. Cross watchers अपना inner compass use कीजिएगा. And I don't do reversals on the channel. हम genders में टैपिंग नहीं करते, चीज़ में करते हैं. Power और love deck से we're going to pull out an oracle for you, which is going to tell us exactly the core message that you need to see. My Mithun Rashi, my Geminis. It's going to be in Hindi, English reading, essentially in English. But let's move on. Do like and subscribe. मेरी सारी information description box में है guys. Help the channel grow. Do share it. That really works a lot because I don't do this for money. Okay. If you want a reading with me, you can send a message on Twitter as I don't charge. But of course, we connect and we see. So Michael, show me the messages I need to see, Blueberry, for my Geminis. What do I need to see? Mithun Rashi वाले, what are the messages we need to see? Their love messages. Love messages. तुम्हारे बिना बिना something like that. It's like, you know, the person or you maybe say that I cannot see anybody else except you. That is the strong core message, and see what you get. Commitment. So maybe you are in a commitment with somebody, or maybe it's about commitment, it's about time. Maybe singles, you need to step up, take the relationship a little forward. It says you dedicate yourself to your beliefs wholeheartedly, knowing that love is the essence of your very being. Yes, so maybe some people here, please take the screenshot, watch the card carefully. It's about knowing that, you know, being with the person is not very important. It's about understanding that what this relationship is bringing to you, for you. Is this relationship making you better? Is this relationship making you love yourself more? Is this relationship telling you that you are the best? Is it helping you to attract abundance? Geminis, that's what it's saying. That it's saying that it's about commitment. It's about commitment to self. It's about commitment, you know, to the person we are talking about. It could be anything. Let's see what comes around. I will show the messages. Lights here like this to what my Geminis, my Mithun Rashi needs to see for the upcoming May. Upcoming May love messages. I have actually pulled a full-on encapsule reading for full moon in Sagittarius lunar eclipse. Do watch that. I'm going to pin it. That is like in every dynamic. This is only relationship. Okay, so keep that in view. That would really help. Eight of Cups just dropped out, but let's see which way is it directing. Is it about time to move forward, take the relationship to the next level? What is it? We're going to see that. They're asking me to do 2 more shuffles. 1 more. Okay, I don't give out sugar-coated readings, okay? I don't manipulate, and I feel that it's very important to contribute to the community genuinely, because there are people who watch tarot readings very seriously. So we should not play with Google Trends, and we should not play with all that. We should really offer that really makes sense and resonates. You know, keep yourself authentic. That is what I try and do on the channel. So my Geminis, and I'm sure all the other readers do that too, but just a thought. I will not write ऐसा वाला बेकरार है दिल उनका कैसा. I can't do all that, you know. I'd write what really the reading is talking. Judgment. Commitment and judgment, my God. Imagine. Higher self is talking, your intuition is talking. Geminis, you know exactly that maybe it's about commitment, it's about time that you take a relationship a step forward. Let's see what are the other cards. Or maybe suddenly you have that aha moment that you know, oh, this is the person I need to be with. Okay. Four of Swords. You're thinking, You're still thinking what to do, how to go about it, what to do. Should I do it? It's all like love again. Maybe the experience with love prior hasn't been great. So, you kind of in two minds thinking that, oh my god, should I take that thing again? It's more about people who are about to get into a relationship or take the relationship a step forward. Someone here is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, very loving, very warm, very charming, very attractive. Saying that, oh, you know what, I've got the heart's guinea pig. I love you and I will not let you down. I'll give you my heart. I'll give you everything. That's the kind of vibe, Geminis, someone is telling you. That they really have a heart. The heart is beating. My heart is beating. Keeps on repeating. I'm falling in love. But your experience with death and rebirth. This is a very potent card. You're coming out from a very tough cycle. This whole nesting period is like you buying time. That is why you're not committing to the relationship. It's about resting time. You're evaluating. That is why the judgment is around. And this thing, this light, something is about to shine in your life. Something big is going to happen. It's a very strong, big energy coming your way with the Page of Cups. Gemini, be ready. प्यार करने वाला कोई आने वाला है आपकी लाइफ में. Someone is going to love you that you never experienced before, I think. Or you already have somebody in your life. Someone who has the key to the door that you really want to open, but you just don't know. Thinking. You don't know what to do, right? You just don't know. You're still contemplating as to how I can, take it forward. How I can do this. How will I make it happen, So somehow you are in that energy where you are nesting. You are thinking. Because something did not work out well, Geminis. For some Geminis that I'm resonating. And you are kind of in that energy saying that, कैसे करूँ मैं? कैसे होगा ये? How is it even possible? How am I going to do it? You're not sure. But then they're saying that it's going to happen by the full moon. By the full moon, you'll get clarity, Geminis. I think this is what it was. You're going to attract abundance. Trust you me, you're going to attract abundance because death and rebirth in this deck are like very, very important because that's how they operate. That's how, see, all the cards that are coming out are about passion, all about. So you would know exactly what didn't work out in your past relationship. You would be very clear about it, and you would not be confused because you know what you're wanting now. You exactly have an idea as to what you really need. And they're saying whoever is coming in with a lot of love for you. They're not just coming in because, they kind of like you or things like that. They have love for you. Could be like a soulmate kind of vibe. Could be like someone who knows how it is to really, be in that state of emotion. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could be a, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. There's this King of Cups, which is like all about emotion from the page to the king. This one coming in is not somebody that you can take lightly. Hands down, you just can't. One more card, Michael. They have a lot of love. They have also gone through certain stages that were not healthy. So that is why I think it's more about mirroring and projecting. It's about knowing. So there are two kings, could be like a choice, for you guys. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So maybe there's a choice that you guys have to make and you have to see, understand from your experiences to what and where you're going to go. Because that would really identify the future course of action, right? So this full moon with lunar eclipse is going to be very, very big. Be very attentive because Spirit is sending you sign, with the Judgment here, with the King of Pentacles, King of Cups here. This whole energy is talking big in the light where it's saying that, you'll have to take that step up. You'll have to go forward and offer stability to somebody in the relationship also. With the King of Pentacles, maybe you're not offering that, Geminis. You're scared of committing right now. That's what they're saying. But you should not be scared. The Spirit is advising, don't be scared because you're sorted. Whoever is coming in your life is coming in big. Is coming in big and bringing a lot of stability, not just stability but a lot of love also, so essentially it's going to be fabulous. Let's just see the outcome. Clarifiers, please, Michael Newberry. What do we need to see? What do we need to see? And the person you're talking about is very loyal, provided you are loyal. Okay, you need to take that step. That is why, with the judgment here, let me show you this. See, this woman rising up above, the energy rising up above in you, saying that you'll have to take that call and say, you know what, I'm standing up for the same. I am going to offer this to somebody who is genuinely offering me the emotions and the stability that I so wanted in my life. With the moon, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, you would know by this full moon. Trust me, it's not about secrets, anything. You would know what's hidden in your feelings also, as to what you're also wanting, what you are seeking. You would know all that. So just be sure as to what you're really asking, right? And with that, it would just like kind of stand out. And with the same, as I said, it's going to stand out. See, there's so many cards. The Four of Wands. What do you want? What do you want, Geminis? So the cycle hasn't been easy for you, no doubt about it. But whoever is coming in with passion, with love, with inspiration, with a lot of inspiration to tell you that they're not going to hurt you anymore. Even if you feel that way, they say that they're not going to hurt you because they truly value and understand what you have been through. Okay, so they're coming in, and whatever your thoughts are right now, they're going to change, because Geminis, they're offering you love. Okay, they're really offering you love. So wow, like choices, stability, everything coming your way. Okay, so this is what I have for you. If the reading resonates, do give us a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Love you. Bye.